let's do update on the MEXC spot wallet. I started this wallet beginning of August. Probably I put here like 500, 600 euros because it was not like one time. It was like buying like token launch. The wallet is quite good, quite a profit. As you can see in the chart, 30 days. Quite good, and I know it's gonna go much more because all the tokens are here. Are tokens I really like, I really research. Any advice? This is my journey. So this channel is about record. It's like a notebook of my journey. I just like record my trades, my evolution on this wallet and Solana and the future ones I will bring here. Right now I'm focused on this one because MEXC has like the lowest fees and like launchpad with the really nice tokens on the beginning, as you see, like Cubic, really like Cubic. I have another channel, guys. I will tell later. I'm gonna have a channel dedicated of just mining, like with cell phones, computer, like rigs. So I have like a rig mining Cubic, Monero, and Cubic, and also TAR, XMR. So XMR is quite a nice project, and for people who have MacBooks, M1 chip, I'm like not working with that and like stopping, which will like earn some TARI, XMR, that's XTM, sorry, TARI. That's really good. So as you see, like Pumpfun, we are doing live right now, Pumpfun. And I believe on the project, so I bought this like really early. Quite a good profits. I will not sell. So these tokens I will not try not to sell. Probably on the top of the bull market, probably, because then I will buy lower after. But kind of gonna stick with these ones. But more wallets, kind of a lot of projects and diversified. But I know I research, understand like the solutions they provide or the service of the product, whatever. A lot of the tokens you're gonna see here, they are more like based like from mining perspective. Like Solid is mining, is because of mining, I find this because of the mining, this because of the mining, There's no power AI, because of the AI. This was launchful, mining, launchful here, Pumpfun here. Long time ago, this one close to me, it's like this one, it's a nice project. Also this one, this is like from MEXC, this is like a great token. Like if you believe in BNB, it's kind of the similar. And MEXC is like a great exchange and they have a great product and a great service. I think they will grow, so it's like have a bright future, I think. This one also, but it's like for the Bitcoiners and the maximalist Bitcoiners and just one Bitcoin. I know about this one. And this doji, I have to have BitTorrent. Everyone should have BitTorrent because BitTorrent was from the torrent times. Like buying like a game was so expensive, you have to share and like doing like downloads from Pirate Bay, Move, whatever. So buying like a game, whatever. So this one is like this doji on the decentralization. That's for sure. Also for the Bitcoiners, South Korea. Pages will not be shown on the Discord public. guys. Let me with the music by Play. Hello guys, I'm here. So let's talk about BTC. As you see, just from 2023, 3 years. So this line is 2003, this line is 2024, this is here. So we are here. So that's the trend here, so BTC should go up, and all the buying from the institutions and the big corporates and all the buying we don't know, it will go do that. But my idea and my thought, because here it probably will do like also like the opposite. Probably it will do like uptrend here, do like that. Probably it will do like uptrend here, do like a curve up, and probably will go down, and then it will do the opposite like here, probably will go up. That's my thought. Or just go up, and will go like for a moment. I know now is a lot of manipulation of the market. As you see, like on the chart we do like manipulation. Like a trend, more accumulation up, more selling down, and here just like like a heartbeat chart on the hospital. So it's like a spring. So I don't know. You should go up, but you can't go like crazy down just for like liquidate some positions and then go up. I'm okay, but I should sell like when I was here. But I'm following the trend what my local AI, my agent is telling me. So I'm testing out if my agent is like getting the information I tried, because he's learning what I'm providing him. So he's getting with my thoughts. So it's like local and he's like training on my thought, what I see on the market. Because I have like this side of like the investor side, like the stock kind of vibe on crypto, but also I have like the mindset of like the miner, like IT. I'm working on IT all my life. I do support, Android, informatic, whatever. So I come from like the more tech stuff on the blockchain and crypto, and I like that the most. And right now was like boring, but Cubic is getting my thrill, and Tari, so I get pump again. I have mined some projects. I still mining some projects for like 4 years. Probably I can speak about them more in the future. I'm seeing, because they are still in the proof of work, so a project will list in some exchange, whatever, some no. But they're list in some exchange, whatever, some no. But they're really nice projects. One is like privacy one and use Android, kind of like Solana, but like private. So kind of like Solana fused with Monero, something like that. But let me see. I'm mining, so I'm okay. The projects are working. The mining softwares are having updates constantly, so they are really hard-working companies because for 4 or 5 years, and like this crazy market like going up and down, they're still here, so they probably are good. But as I say, this channel is not like for look at this coin, look at this project. No. I will speak some project because you're gonna be here already in my wallets, and then I'm gonna explain what they want to achieve. But I'm gonna focus more to lives and trades, whatever. Even gaming on Discord, because of Voxel. Voxel, I think he's in the blockchain, so items and the skins and the guns, you can sell it, so it's still early. You can sell it, so it's still early. Let's see how it's involved. But right now the BTC, I just want to share that thought. I think it will go up, but a lot of manipulation. But the markets, they are buying. People like just put Google real-time Bitcoin transaction. You're gonna see like crazy buying. You're gonna see also crazy selling, of course, but you're gonna see like crazy buying. And as you can see here, so we are in like in the uptrend. So we are up. We are a little bit down from here, but still up. So we are making. So we go up for sure. But no one's in the future, so that's why I'm not here to tell you what's gonna happen. You're just gonna see me first succeed or get some lessons. Normally I think I'm gonna get more lessons than success here, but that's a good thing that you have a record. And also I can use all this information I'm doing, so I do this with a purpose. So I do live streams, like do my trades. Already the agents can like learn on that, so my agents gonna learn on my daily trading and gonna fine tune, and it's gonna be like available for the Discord community. I already run it. You're gonna see already like 3 agents there, the Babylon and the so some agents already working. I'm doing the coding and all the server stuff. Art guys and like streaming at the same time is like really difficult, so sometimes I have to wait on that part of the agent when they have time and focus more on the trading side. And right now like Bitcoin is all-time high, so it's like a good time to do live streams and we focus. And when the market's more like chill, I will focus on the agent part. I'm gonna do the both, so whatever. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you listen to some music. Let's see the Bitcoin chart, and in a few minutes probably I'm gonna play boxing. See you in a few minutes. Hey guys, let's see. Okay, yeah, nice. Let me just put this all down. Sorry guys, because I'm trying to send some money to MEXC wallet. Sorry. It's a new headset from the Novo region. This microphone is the ones like that. And sorry guys, I'm really tired because I have like 2 hours sleep. Doing a lot for building the AI agent, installing like the Linux on Windows 11, Windows. I'm so mad with Windows, man. Bill Gates is so bastard, really bastard, man. I'm so tired, man. Really, I have fucking doing like crazy stuff with like my Docker is not fucking all the time like crashing stuff. the other day, just like wipe out my LM Studio, just without nothing. I turned on my computer, like LM just was gone. Like everything, like not everything actually, like the large language models was still in the computer, and I still was like able to recover. But I lost a day trying to recover because it was not opening. I have to install LM Studio again and try to recover. For luck, I find because it deletes somehow like the executable from the software. So all the files was there, so I was able to recover the files, so load the files. But it break my head, and it's taking so much time. And this should be easy, and it's getting worse this time. And actually, Linux is much better, like Ubuntu, Pop OS. Even I try one so cool. One is like, Jesus, let me. I have the USB over there. Let me just. Is up for that. I am right now. So Linux distros I always have with me for any case. I love Garuda Linux. So for like people like me who streams and like do a lot. Also I do photography and video. Garuda Linux is like the best. You have like that like the tech savvy part if you want to like do servers, NAS, all the Linux like advanced stuff. You have that, but also you have like the creation part for music, the editing video, for photos, video. They have all already. So Garuda Linux is really nice, and this is a really beautiful. The organized version is the one I have. This one with all the crazy colors, like the pinks, purple, wherever. So it's really nice. This really looks like for people who like Windows is boring, or even like Mac OS. Garuda Linux guys, like the organized version is really nice. This one is like for 4 years. I have to see that the new one. So Chrome OS also always nice. So I have a Chrome OS Linux for like some people that have like the computer like the Celeruns and the Cherry Trail ones, and the people try to use like they have the Ryzen. Normally I put the Chrome OS, so you're gonna use like the Android apps. So you're gonna use computer. So this is like also really great. Ubuntu is the 23, but in my Windows I have the last one, 24.04.6. This one. The Linux I was telling you about is the Linux Big OS. It's from Brazil, but it's really nice. Everything. So it has like the Chrome OS, so you can Brazil, but it's really nice. Everything. So it has like the Chrome OS, so you can like use just Chrome stuff, Linux stuff, and it's like really nice and beautiful. It's really nice. Distro, you should try it. Then this Ironwood, yeah, Ironwood. I don't know if you guys know what is Ironwood, but for the old OGs, all the goats. I'm from '84, guys, so I'm 41 years old, but I'm a crazy motherfucker. 41, still rides, skate and do downhill and free ride, motorcycles and whatever. But I always love technology, robotics. That stuff always drove me as a teenager, as a kid. So as a kid, like 3, 5, 6 years, like my RC cars, I just take the motors and try to build like stuff, like moving stuff, like carousels and whatever, like projects for schools. But my generation was like that. It was the generation generation come from the generation from the rocket science guys, like the 70s, 80s. People like doing like crazy stuff with rockets and fuels, like doing bombs. Like that was crazy. But I really like tech. So this one, Iron Boot, for the old OGs, they know it. So Iron Boot is a tool, like a step. They have Windows XP with all the tools. You can like recover the. I think because after Windows 8, you cannot like change so much the folders of Windows, but you have a lot of nice stuff you can try recover or even save your files to them, like to folders of Windows. But you have a lot of nice stuff you can try recover. And then the beautiful Pop OS. This one is, I have the 2404. I think probably there's another one. So this is by System 76, and the Pop OS is like, I think it's overall one of the most loved, but most tech savvy overall, because Linux Kali, like for the savvy like Kali, but Kali is Kali. It's himself. Kali is like this for penetration attacks. So normally use what hacker use, good ones, bad ones, wherever. That's the tool. But that in himself is another world. So just what? So guys, and I turned the mic to speak with you about this, about the Monero attack with Cubic. That's why, guys, Cubic is like something. Like Cubic is not new. Cubic, I think, is from 2000 and not 12 because that. I think it's 12. Yeah, they like from the beginning, almost the beginning. I think yeah. I think I'm tired, but I think it's from 2012. And like Cubic, the mission or the mission, exactly the mission and what they want to prove and what they want to offer is like they see like proof of work was like spending a lot of resource, energy, whatever. But if we analyze with like just the financial system, like the banks, wherever that those get more. Even I live in Portugal in Europe. Like the government, like the computers, like so old, guys, like from I don't know 24, so you know, and they don't do much with the computers. They don't change it. So I think like that mining part, they don't spend so much, but cubing, you say, is possible to do it efficiently with less resource and using AI to manage that. And that's like the core, what Cubic do. And Cubic is growing. What is the growth of Cubic? It's getting more computers, more people, more machines are plugging their ecosystem, and they can like the AI spread the machine learning of Cubic that do that, and like be so powerful they can like send down other coins, and that's the mission. Now it's attacking Monero to prove, and Cubic is like is going. I don't know where he's going, but we will go, and that's what some people like. I like because it's a new technology, and some people really hate because it's proving but if Cubic attacks and send like blockchains down, people will not trust on the blockchain. They will not put the money. Blah. Yes, we have that side. But also we have the other side. Everything is like stoicism. You have to see it the other way. Yeah, it will like probably like destroy like the weaker ones, compared with Cubic. but Qubit himself will prove is stronger. And if Qubit is not enabled to attack Bitcoin, it will prove like Bitcoin is like the most strong one. So what we'll do is just like take like the bad projects out of the market, in my opinion. That is good and bad. Also bad for me, probably I have like some of those projects in my wallets and they probably will go. So that's why in this bull market I have to think really straight. Bitcoin, I will not sell. Bitcoin, I just buy. Gonna buy. Ethereum I am thinking about because they print again. They now make a token from the token burn. It doesn't make any sense for me because it's like that's why gold are not invest anymore in gold. That's why gold are not invest anymore in gold because we have the gold and the paper gold. And with that, all conspiracy, all the theories you're gonna have with that, and that's why it's not clear. So I will not invest. I will not spend time. And Ethereum now is showing me that, and I'm a believer in Ethereum because it's like the bigger blockchain computer. But man, just manage financial, because you don't need to like do that. You just like stake your fucking old feet. Sorry, I cannot swear. Sorry, I apologize. Just like stake, or say we're gonna buy some Bitcoin or some stuff with Ethereum, but we're gonna put stacking, generate, or we pay the next year expenses and stuff and publicity and parties and blah 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 blah. And I think that is not like really hard to do. Don't go boiler if you're not a boiler. Don't act a king if you are not a king. So I think we are now in a time people like not getting stupid. I think I see a lot of people are getting like with a slave mind. They are not sick, but they're gonna wake up sooner or later. But they have X and like open communities and people are saying. That's why I see it doesn't make any sense. And I'm having my issues with Ether because then I prefer Solana. Because I use Solana a lot, Phantom Wallet, and I mint coins. That was the crazy I have the print screens. I will do a video. My wallet in Solana one day was in $170 trillion. Was like, what? So this is why it happens. It was so bad. No, now it's like 400 euros. This for like the final conclusion. Yeah, I see my wallet like billions, but in the end, it's fun. It's nice. And probably I fucked up like 1,000 euros on those times. 1,000 or 2,000. I want to say 1,000 for not to be like that with me. But I know people was reckless, guys. So like crypto. That's why I'm not here like do this, do that. This is my notebook. I reckon margin. This is my my sheep diary on navigating blockchain. So that's why I'm a record. That's why this is the first time I'm speaking because I was not want to speak, because when you speak, you're gonna have to speak. You're gonna put in the world, and with that comes what good comes. So in crypto, Bitcoin, guys, is the one. It's like the higher technology is a technology. When people, I know people are in blockchain just for the money, the fast, like get rich. But blockchain actually is a technology. It's a new way of doing stuff right and with less resources and more efficiency and more beautiful in kind of way, with us in kind of way, and more like in harmony with us, with humans. And with that, Bitcoin is gonna be the king. It's like the higher technology. We're gonna have another ones like Ethereum. It's like the supercomputer on the blockchain. Solana. The F1 car do everything in blockchain, and Cardano and Chainlink, Avalanche, Aave, and right. Then you're gonna have bubbles, not bubbles, but you're gonna have areas. Real world assets, DeFi, the exchange coins, gaming, NFTs, Web3, blah blah blah, and future will come. On those ones, just that much. See if you are in the mines and you see the value of the companies, and put the money. Even go down. If it's just like even the meme coins I have in Solana, it's like my the cards of the baseball and the football. It's like that. I'm gonna have this. It's gonna be my Web3 collection, and actually it's like for me it's like that. It's like it's not physical, but in kind of way it's physical because you have in the wallet, you have a date, you have a registry on the blockchain, so you can prove that it's real. So that's amazing. Even it's like a token, but probably 10, 20 years like that token. Oh, you remember this token, and probably you have like a community. And I see nice things for the future. I see really. So let's see. Let's just finish with this topic. Yeah, but this is like the same also. I don't know. One shaken by blog. They already did it on time, so they say it was not, but they say yes. I researched for them, and overall there are more sources that I believe saying yes, they do it. But Cubic is not trying to be like IQ, yeah. It's not doing that like yeah, IQ. It's not doing that. It's like, hey guys, we IQ, we do this. Sorry. Let's be friends, whatever. They are not in the bad place. Cubic. They are smart people. But in technology, guys, we have that with like people with servers, like people trying to attack. Like the first time is like the Windows server, the first Windows server. People were trying to attack each other, like I'm doing a server, and my other friend, yeah, I'm doing, and we're trying to attack to say, you see, I'm better coded than you, I'm better IT guy than you. So that's the thing on technology and IT. When you're gonna have that rivalry, but it's not rivalry. It's like it's fair play, and you evolve with that. I think. So it's my opinion. So with that, guys, I'm gonna just shut my mouth a bit because I can speak a lot, and I have to transfer the money to my MEXC wallet because I'm gonna buy the ticker for today is this one. It's not for you buy, guys. I'm gonna transfer the money. I will talk about this token. What I'm saying, that's why I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna have a position. I'm gonna buy like 25 USDT, something like that. So let's see what the Bitcoin chart is. Okay, guys. So let me do the transfer. Hello guys, I'm back. Okay. So we are 3 hours, 10 minutes in on the live. Let me just check. The transfer was. Let's check. The transfer was succeed. By the way, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So we create this token because then I will explain in the video the concept of the business side. Great. But this token I create because we have to create a token to do the live streams on Pumpfun. So this token is gonna belong to the Aferix capital. It's like the core main business on the Aferix capital. What's gonna happen? What is the core? So because I'm based in Portugal, in Algarve, and Portugal was a hub for a lot of blockchain projects in Lisbon, but was a hub for a lot of blockchain projects in Lisbon, but was like really a bubble. So outside, like small business, whatever, don't even like. I know, because I already do. They know what is Bitcoin, but they think it's like a pyramid scheme. Because I know, because I already do that. So I work, I think all my life. I work on the most biggest companies here, in Algarve. In the COVID, I was not, I didn't stop. So I was doing the point in cells for the business. So I was doing that and installing NAS, creating NAS servers for the company. So, and I know that part in blockchain. So the service I want to provide here is that for the companies, like integrate blockchain payments, easy, secure, and they have the custody of the cryptos, the payments. The business is gonna have the custody of everything. They're gonna be the responsible and the owners of that. And with that, all the bureaucracy, because we have finances here in Portugal with that, but that's a light case. So that's one of the main core of Aferix here. And I thought, what hell, why I don't put everything inside? So that's one service. The other one is like the IT part. So I also do repair funds. I'm like here in my region, probably like 5 or 10 guys. They are really specialists and they have certification. So I was a Apple technician. So in Portugal, actually, we're not able to repair like the screens, but I know repair the screens because I was the only Samsung official repair manager. So I was the manager and also was the repair for Samsung for a few years. And then I went to Apple, and then I went to the one lab. They work with all the brands. So I repair all the phones you can like imagine, like Androids. The worst was Wiku, like a Spanish brand. They were the best. But iPhone, Samsung, quite cheap. All of them, for sure. Samsung was easy peasy. Like in our S8, S9, S10, whatever screens on like S8, S9, S10, whatever. And even today, I'm do that. I'm working for not right now, no, because I quit because I was really tired. But I was working for one of the biggest companies here in Portugal, in Spain. So, and I was a top repair technician for months in national. So I want to do that. So I know I already have clients. So that's also other car. but I what that thing of the repair and the phones and the tech. I have a channel. It's called the Blue Dragon Silicon, and that channel also gonna be inside of Aferix core. So Aferix core is gonna be like aggregator of like business, and those business, most of them have YouTube channel. Then when they grow, when I say YouTube channel, YouTube, Kick, Twitch, all the social media. So they have a presence online, they have a business online. So the Swing Trade Syndicate is this one. We are here right now. We're gonna provide consulting for business. Business have like money. I want to buy, but they don't know, because all the days I have friends. Hey man, how about this here? What do you think? They say, hey man, don't buy there. People do rational impulsion stuff, and what my fear now is everyone is getting there, and like just the bump of one getting the money fast. And these friends in specific, they call me every day, like they like, hey man, I sell because what's up? Hey man, no, buy Bitcoin, buy a coin. It's for a long term. Don't stay the phone all the time looking at the chart, the price go up and down. You're gonna be mad, because I already do that. You're gonna be mad. That's not work. Even the Wall Street guys on the stock, they don't do that. They know, okay, they're gonna go up and down. It's a long term. If you believe in the project. And what I tell people is, man, learn to fish and then go fish. So learn first what you are getting in, and then go. And even in my YouTube videos, bios, you're gonna have like the basic tools. And they're the basic. You just research, and even with AI, that's what's most scare me now. People have like the phone full of apps with AI, and they go like one of my friends was buying Bitcoin in Giro. They're a Forex, I think, Forex business. But now they have Bitcoin. But I was telling him, you're not buying Bitcoin. You are buying speculation. You are buying the price of Bitcoin, because that's a Forex exchange. It's not the Bitcoin. You don't have the Bitcoin. You should buy Bitcoin. And I tell him, go to Binance. It's the most well-known one, Binance, because this friend is living in Paris. So I sometimes have to be careful when I send people because of the laws. And Europe depends. Portugal right now is quite okay, was okay, because they were like the 10 years free nominal digital visa pass. So you can be here 10 years, do whatever, no taxes at all, and living a really good life. And for the blockchain developers, it was amazing, because guys, I don't know if anyone is listening right now or whatever, but Portugal is like is a really unique place, and is old as hell. So it's like the oldest civilization, and have a lot of history. Just by the fact, Mike Saylor, what he's trying to do is based off the books of the Fifth Kingdom, was right by monks on Portugal. I'm gonna say even in the Portuguese title, o Quinto Reinado, the Kingdom, because Portugal, my roots are Portuguese, my parents are Portuguese, my grandfathers, and my great-grandfathers, and then they go to Europe, because I have family with blue eyes and blonde. So Europe is a mix of culture, and always was. So whatever. So what was my point? Okay. And this is like old country with a lot of history, and what Portugal is like really good. It was proof. They were like traders. They are good traders, like spicy, whatever. They can sell you a rock if they want, If it's not a normal rock, they're gonna. But if they find like a rock is like really different. They're gonna, they build up like a story, and they can get that value. And that was the Portuguese when they like the sailors, the discovery time. So for the guys who are here on the blockchain development, no taxes, this was a paradise. It still is, but I think right now they're gonna change. They're gonna start to collect. So I have to be careful what I tell my friends where to buy. So normally I would recommend Binance or Trust Wallet. I recommend this cold store wallet, but right now there are a lot of options, and Ledger already been hacked, so I stay with Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom Wallet. So those ones I know they are hot wallets, but if you have like a laptop just for that and play in the laptop, like a super anti-spyware, like they like weekly, you like just, but of course anyone gonna do it, because I also will not do it because I have apps and we want to plug in everything here and do everything here, so we're gonna use here. So this is what it is, guys. I think right now it's just learn. I think no one's know because it's new technology, so this was never existing. This never happened before, so the most caution thing to do is like learn, criticize everything, and listen to your inner self. What I do. So with that, let's see if my money is here. 31 USD. So let's go. This is the one I'm researching. TRWA. Tarwa. I am here. Okay. Sorry. Cigarettes, I have to quit smoking. The most like I was a smoker in the high school. I was a rebel. Guys, punk rock, skate, BMX. By the way, my most assets I have is like bicycles. I have, by the way, that's why I was here in the beginning. So that one I will not sell, and that's gonna be like an asset back for the company. So if you want to support me, guys, you can send me my own token, because I will not sell this one. I probably will collect the fees, but I want to do like a note record journey of this. So if you want to, I will be most grateful. And then if I sell the token, I will ask the community on the Discord. So the Discord, the community we're gonna have here. So here rules, I will create a channel. So this is like the free, this is like the pay version, guys. I still figure out, but here you're gonna see all most of my money, but actually MEXC is getting parent. I have all the crosses of my daughter, and I don't get a time for the mother. So, and things in Portugal are really expensive, and the minimum wage is like fucked up. So we get less than €1,000, and the cars and whatever, everything is really expensive. And it's like the most expensive place in like Europe. So that's why I'm starting to like record this and like make the journey, because so it's like leftovers I have. So I like stopped to going out, because like I live in Algarve, so it's like this is the place you go Friday, let's go. You have party everywhere, bars, cafes, like this coffee with the esplanade is like the chairs and the tables outside, drinking nice beer. The beer is nice. It's cheap. The beer is not expensive. It's like right now it's like 2-3 euros. But the thing with beer is like one is it's nice, two nice, three nicer, four and you don't wanna stop. So you drink like 10. So you get like, you know, your minimum wage day you get in a day is like 30, 40 euros in the day. You fucked up already like beer. So food, like me eating out, like quite expensive here. Groceries, wherever, like you have to manage right. So I stopped like doing out. I go out sometimes because, guys, I already party a lot. I work in the night. I already work in a lot of bars. I work in like the golden age of in Algarve, like when you go like you get out in 8 of the night and just come back the next day like afternoon, like after hours, because we have like right now you don't have that because of the tourism and the outsiders with money come living here and buy like nice house, home that want like noise. They start to complain and the laws start to change. But in Spain you get that after hours. So Spain nightlife is fine. And actually I'm 2 hours away from Seville, who is one of my favorite cities in the world. Lisbon is also nice, but Seville is more easy for me, and I don't pay anything because it's free highway, and it's a nice highway, and you get there in 2 hours. And Seville is amazing. So, and also cheap. It's more cheaper to go to Seville than go out in the Portugal, guys. In my own opinion. So it's cheaper. Like if you go to the McDonald's, even Burger King, they have like 4 or 5 menus, like 4.5 euros. But it's not like crazy, you know. You should enjoy food. I'm vegetarian, so I don't. But sometimes I will eat like a veggie burger. But it's not like crazy, you know. You should enjoy life. It's not all about money. And this channel is about this journey. It's like what's my leftovers, and I invest, and I'm doing quite well. If you want to support and the channel, just give some token or whatever. I don't know, the Phantom wallet, you can like support. So let's go here to Tarwa. So Tarwa is a RWA platform, and what is the interesting here? So is a lot of folks from Emirates, from Dubai. So the folks with the big pockets, and they gonna plunge money here, that's for sure. So I'm gonna buy. I think this is gonna be a, but this is my opinion, this is my thought. Do your own research, coin market cap. Also, if you MEXC you are gonna have here, also great platform. They provide also a lot of research, tokenomics. So MEXC is an amazing product, right? You're gonna have everything. This is good for your research. I'm gonna put the link in the Kik chat and all of chat. Not in the pump, because the pump don't let like URLs. Don't know why. How I can. No, I have one. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I think it's this one. Oh yeah, this one is nice because they are giving money now to the people come to the exchange, guys. So get adventured. That's why I started here like with Under Heroes, because it was a bonus, and look at now. It was not a bad decision at all. And also for you guys who want to be a trader, you pass the test and you become a trader, you're gonna have a certification also. I don't have it, but you're gonna have You have to be too big for it. This one is more nice for you guys. And also this is nice, the Kickstarter. So you have some X, and you all look at was here some better option. Come on. Okay. Let's see. It's taking too much time. The Pumpfun chat is, and I cannot integrate on my OBS. It is what it is. So, let's do a deep dive. Okay. Let's just take the shot in front of. About car. Is it? Actually, it's a good entry point. No, not fun. I have to buy already. That's good. Buy first, and I will part later. Makes more sense. I'm gonna put my mouth. Where is my money? And coffee. So 3 hours and 34 minutes and 52 seconds in live. I have to smoke a cigarette. And sorry guys for the live streams like buggy because I live in the hill, like in the top of the hill, and the internet is like fucked up here. And sorry, I cannot say that word. And I have to work with 4G because the cable, forget. I think we're gonna have fiber in the future here because there are a lot of foreigners are moving here with money, so they are buying and building like those fancy houses with a view. So I live near the ocean. The ocean is like 8-9 miles from my home, and is one of the most amazing one. I have to do thing. When you donate me like my token, I will do like we'll go to a place, show you like a nice place, like you give you a nice tip, value for value, something like that. Because I'm not like fancy, I don't spend too much stuff. I try to not. I just spend my money for stuff to build or IT stuff. Like now I have like 3 rigs. I'm doing a video, but that will go to the channel, to the Silicon Drag Wallet, to the blue Silicon Dragon channel is focused on IT, building computers and the mining stuff. So I have those ones. Actually was a bargain. I bought on AliExpress the X99 kit, really nice price. Motherboard actually really beautiful. I already built one. I'm trying to recover my SSD because I have unmineable and I have OS already there. It's saying like my Windows is crashed and try to recover, and I'm losing my mind because everything is like crashing now with Windows, and I'm like getting really mad working with Windows, but it is what it is. We learn on the way. So, is a X99 kit, 60 gigs DDR4, a white motherboard, really beautiful. They have like the cooling system. They have like coolers on the parts the motherboard should have. It's tiny, it's not like big one, but it's not a micro, it's tiny, so it will be fine for like that. You can put them whatever case you have left at home. And it's a Xeon E5 2000 2680 V4 S6 threads, something like that. It's fine for like that. You can put them whatever or S6 threads, something like that. It's even for AI. I'm doing like a local AI with that. Is amazing. It's not like the most crazy AI, but it's AI. You can like optimize them, and for like just the house, like for like basic stuff in home, like just for like give you a little bit of help and free you your mind and free you a little bit. That's the thing. And I want to do mine because I have lands around my house. So my house is in the country, so I have lands around. I have like tree fruits, exactly. And I have trees and fruit. I have vegetables. I have grapes, figs, orange. Guys, the Portuguese. If you are a listener, yeah, you're not from Portugal or never been here, try the orange, guys. That's why they call the Algarve orange there, because we don't do anything. They grow. That's like a local tree here, and they will grow with the seasons of the rain and the summer and the spring and the winter, and they're always done like really good in the morning. That's the way to start. And with the coffee and the croissant or a baguette, like warm, or even a toast, c'est magnifique. And let's start. I should also buy more pump. Pump deliver, guys. This is the stream, and they really focus on this. They're gonna win the streaming market. They're gonna win. Like if pump delivers, they're gonna win the streaming market. They're gonna win like YouTube, Twitch, Kick probably not, because Kick is paying well. I don't know because I'll start this in August, so I'm new here. I never been done this for me. I already create this for other people because I do photography. I also do like videos, so I already mine. They are really good and have some success in music industry. And I love travel, just in Europe, take my cameras, and I love cameras. I have a collection of cameras, third Polaroid or the first Polaroid. The first not, but the second or the third Polaroid generation. I have one. I have the fourth, like the. It's like, yeah. Is the internet not great? Hello, wake up, wake up. Let's do it. What? Let's do it. What? baby. Little bit what? Come on, let's go. It's going up. Let's get my market cap. Yeah, see guys, as I said, like the spring. And then probably because everyone is like go up, they will go down, just like for wipe out some folks. Yo, they're gonna be but then they go up. So we'll go here. I'm quite actually right now I'm afraid. Actually, because you can actually like the whales are coming in, they can like move this like easily. Like 2 years ago, just after a crazy news. Right now, you don't see any news. Just like actually, the Bitcoin chart will not correlate with the news because they say buy, they are buying. Mike Seller buy, Digital Planet, something Planet, I gotta forget the name, bought, Marathon Digital bought, everyone bought, everyone's buying Bitcoin like crazy, and the chart still like go down. So they will go up, that's for sure. Sorry guys, my voice is like really strong. This microphone. Oh, we'll go. Oh, it's going so far. Okay, like this. Because I'm trying to control not to speak loud. Yeah, because my voice. Yeah. Don't smoke, guys. When I get this like harsh voice. Or I can do like this because I have this AliExpress sometimes. 12 euros, and I bought this like sound MDI little table, but they have quite features.
Have like this voice.
Have like this voice if you want to do like another channel, you know. So it's quite nice to do like some sketch and prepare the next one. Ha 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 ha. The next one, you're gonna be amazed.
This is the next one. It's like the squirrels from Disney. So this is like crazy stuff.
Crazy stuff, guys. Sorry. Crazy moment. Just like again to BTC. Yeah, but it's trending. Can do like the down, but it will go up. Or will go up and then down. Like it will go to this point and then come back again. Like take some money. Then it will go. My position is that's in my with my logo. Or no, it's okay. Just a second. Where are you? Oh, here it is. I just have to do it. I cannot the shot there. So, so this is my logo agent. So I put my stop here. 118.75. I entered it was 114, something like here. So I'm trying to see if this works. So that's why I'm gonna leave my position, because I'm trying to see if the agent is guessing right, and it's normal. I'm testing out. I know it's not in the best working phase. It's just like in the baby phase. So I'm working on it. So I'm gonna do a lot of crazy stuff. I'm gonna be recording the channel, but in the future, will be probably a video explain why. Why I have to do those steps. So I'm doing some stuff for the long run. So that's why I'm not like spending too much time on like the thumbnails and like doing videos. It's just like really, as I say, like just do one thing. That's my second monitor. Somehow want attention from me. What do you want, boy? Okay. It will go. Here, probably when he gets here. I will do this and probably here. Yeah, probably even here. It will go down. Probably here. It will go down again a little bit. Probably will go up. Seems like that is what I'm analyzing in my vision when I work on these lines. So this will pump, it will go here, it will go, pumps go up here, it will go here, it will work here and correct here, and here I think it will go here, then correct, and then do what. And now let's see if I can buy Carva, because I'm not. Wait. It's gonna buy all. We'll go a little bit down. Just give me a second, guys. We'll come back. Darrow is a token project of Ethereum chain. Its name may origin from acronym visiting the strategic plan of the core vision. Whoa. Darrow is available on MEXC, Ethereum chain. Okay, yeah, but more explanation. It's not there. Let me see here. Let's see if they see the investors. The core business is a multi-asset fund organization. The Saudi Arabia, Dubai, investing big on Arabia, Dubai, investing big on really possible future for sure. So I think this one will be on those exchange, Coinbase. They will skyrocket. And my best just